Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now what? Let's see. If you plug in your U's on the bottom, right? And it's raised to what power? 4/3 because of that. Okay. And then dx equals du over 20x to the fourth. So the x to the fourths cancel. And then you have 1 over 20 u to the negative 4/3. You add 1, and the common denominator is 3 over 3. So it'd be 1 over 20 u to the negative 1/3 over negative 1/3. Flip and multiply. And there's, oop, no, actually that's not your answer because I didn't plug back in what my x equals. Do you understand? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. You wrote all of this down? Okay. Okay. So, would you agree that you can't do any algebra here? And they're not added, just added, subtracted. This division sign right here makes it impossible to do them separately. So, you try U sub. Of the two, which one do you think you would let U equal? Okay. So, if we do that, do I need to raise it to the third power? Okay, good. So then what's the derivative? Good. So do we have what we need? Well, I have an x to the first power, x to the first power. I have a number. So yeah, I do have what I need, provided I can simplify this and maybe manipulate it to look exactly like what I have up there. So let's solve for dx. I'll show you what I mean by that here in a second. And when you do that, you did nothing with the x plus 1 on top, right? So it stays as is. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is on the bottom raised to the third power, so is your u. Dx is equal to du over 2x plus 2. Now, do you see how these are almost the same, but what do I have to do to make them exactly the same? I said these are almost the same, x plus 1 and 2x plus 2, but I need to manipulate this one to make it look exactly like x plus 1 so they can cancel. What can I do? Algebra-wise, what's common to that bottom expression? No, no, just the 2x and the 2. What's common there? Yeah, factor it out. So if I factor it out, I get 2 times x plus 1. And do you see how now x plus 1 goes bye-bye? So now bring the 1/2 out, and then you have 1 over u to the third du. How do I integrate 1 over u to the third? Good, 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 good. So then what does that become? Add 1, not subtract 1, dear. And then u was x squared plus 2x plus 1. How do I get rid of that negative exponent? What do I do with that? Yep, that's exactly right. Got it? Exactly. Do you have any questions over that problem?